Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is mathematics. We are looking at this 2020 past paper 1, okay, which is question 8. The question says, given that the 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 43 and that the first term is 3, okay, find A, common difference, B, fourth term. So this topic, we can see that it is coming from the AP and the GP, but specifically it's from the AP, which is arithmetic progression. Given that the 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 43 and that the first term is 3, find A, common difference, B, fourth term. Okay, I'm sorry for that poor graphic. Okay. So, for the solutions, okay, start with A. Okay, how do we find the common difference? The formula, it's very simple. We are going to say Tn equals A plus open bracket n minus 1 then D. So we know that this part here, this is our nth term. Okay, this one is our first term. This is number of terms, and our D there is the what? Common difference. Okay, so that is how that formula goes. So we are told that we have to find the D here, which is the common difference. Tn, that is our nth term. Okay, then A, that is our first term, and then that n there, that's number of terms, and the D, it's the common difference. This one is just the one. Now the question, remember, it is saying, given that the 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 43 and the first term, this one was supposed to be there, the first term is 3, okay, find the A, common difference, B, fourth term. So what we are going to do now, using that same formula there, let me rewrite it properly there. Tn equals A plus open bracket or open bracket plus 1, then we have the D there. So we start replacing now. So we're going to say the question was saying, given that the 11th term, so what we are going to be putting on the what? On the n, wherever there is the n on this formula here, where there is n, we are going to be replacing with the number 11. So we'll say 11 equals, our first term in the question, it was 3, okay? First term is 3 and the first term is 3. So where there is this A, remember that A, it is the first term. So say 3 plus n. Remember that where there is n, we are replacing it with the 11. The 11 that were given in the question, which is that one, given that the 11th term is of the arithmetic progression is 43. So wherever there is the number n, that is where we'll be putting the 11. So say 11, sorry, here it's the minus, not plus. This is minus here. Okay, so say minus 1, okay, minus 1 d. Okay, then the question again, it was saying that every time you are solving, the reference should be the question. Now, given that the 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 43, so where there is 11th term, this part now, initially in the question, this one was our nth term. Now when we replaced it with 11, it has become our 11th term. We have been told that now our 11th term, this part, is 43, that number that we have been given there. So we're going to say, where there is 11th term, we're going to say 43 equals 3, okay, plus, open bracket, 11 minus 1, it is 10. Then we have the d out there, okay. So 43 equals 3 plus, okay, 10 times d, we have our 10d there. Then we say 43 minus 3, this 3 will close the equal sign and it will become negative since it is positive. It is equal to 10d. 43 minus 3, it is 40, equals 10d. Okay, therefore say d equals 4, sorry. So our d is 4. Therefore, we say our common difference is 4. That is how we are going to have the solution for A. Then for B, how do we find our fourth term? Now, to find our fourth term, we can find it in two ways. The first way may be a little bit challenging. You can say, since we know that the common difference is 4, so we know that after one number we should be adding 4 to get the next number. So in the question we have been told that our first term is 3. Therefore, to find our fourth term, since we already have our first term, we are going to say 3 equals our first term. Okay, so our 3 is our first term. So we're going to say, we'll say 3 plus 4. Our common difference, we're going to have 7. This 7, it will be now our second term. 7 will be our second term. To get our third term, we're going to say 7 plus 4, which is our common difference. We are going to have 11. Therefore, 11 is our third term. Therefore, to find our fourth term that we have been asked to find there, we are going to say 11 plus the common difference that we got here, it is 4. We're going to say 11 plus 4 equals 15. Okay, therefore 15 is our what? Is our fourth term. Therefore our answer is fourth term equals 15. Okay, this is how you can get there, the fourth term. But this one is a little bit challenging in the sense that if you have been taught to find the 49th term, you can't keep on adding these numbers like that. It will be time wasting in an exam. These questions mostly come in paper 1, so you can't keep on solving, adding like that. It will waste your time, especially if you have been told to find perhaps maybe find the 107th term. You can't keep on adding. The best solution, it is to use this very formula. Tn equals A plus n minus 1 d. So what are we finding? Where there is n, we are putting the 4. We are finding our fourth term. So our fourth term equals our first term. Remember, our first term in the question, it is 3 plus our n. Where there is n, always we replace with the number that we have been given, 4 minus 1. Okay, then our common difference we found on part A, it was 4. Therefore, where there is D, we put a 4. Then we say our fourth term equals 3 plus 4 minus 1, it is 3, then 4. Our fourth term will be equal to 3. 3 times 4, it is 12, plus 12. So our fourth term equals 3 plus 12 is 15. Therefore, our fourth term, okay, therefore our fourth term equals 15. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as share. Expect me to improve on the graphic. It was quite pathetic, especially in the beginning. Okay, subscribe and like and also share to my YouTube channel. Thank you.